Model 2017 DAF Trucks Lf 184.5 L 12-ton Euro 6 Curtainside HGV long MOT body, white, Luton, box mileage 99,639 MOT. The 30th of September 2024 engine, 4,500 ccp X5B transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Immaculate, very well looked after. First to see will definitely buy. This is the DAF LF 180FA model with the Curtainsider body, rear barn doors and a Tuckaway Tail Lift, 12-ton GVW. Box dimensions: 24 feet length, 8 feet width, 10 feet height. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.